Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, I'm happy to share with you that so far from the midweek analysis, Pound USD has been activated and running so far in around 20 pips of profit, was 48 pips of profit. AUDUSD has also been activated and running so far in 28 pips of profit. USDJPY has been activated, but this one is from the weekly analysis video which was posted on Saturday, and so far running in around 141 pips of profit. Same goes to the USDCHF, which so far running in around 31 pips of profit. Gold hasn't been triggered yet, but at least going in the right direction. So it's so far a good week for the free channel on YouTube and the free signals, and I really hope you guys are doing well with these signals and hopefully making good profits with it. However, let's now see what we can do next with the Pound JPY. So right now what we can see right here, based on the 4-hour time frame, that we had right here, of course, a key level of a resistance which has been respected multiple times. Then we have here 1 and 2 fake breakouts. And not only that, but even as a support, we had another fake breakout from that level. So the market actually was ranging in this area. However, finally, the market respected the same level as a real support, which was, of course, in the past, a key level of a resistance. And that tells us that the bullish momentum now is much stronger, and most likely right now the the Pound JPY will continue the rise. Not only that, but if we look carefully right now, we can see here a broken triangle. Let me just show it to you. So right here, of course, we have like this, a triangle, just like this. So of course, the market has actually made a bullish breakout from that triangle. And right here, of course, we have the creation of a new supported trend line. Another confirmation that the Pound JPY is surely gonna continue the rise. So let me just go deeper in this and let's dig it more than that. So what we can see right here also is another triangle in the creation. Check this out. So right here, of course, we can see that the market is indeed still stuck in this triangle. And so far, we are expecting a bearish pullback to happen if the Pound JPY will hit this level of a resistance trend line. However, why am I expecting it to actually make a pullback and continue the fall? Let me just tell you something. Actually, I'm looking in the end to buy the Pound JPY, and I will explain to you later. 1 second. So we actually have to apply right now the magic of trend lines to find the decent entries to buy the Pound JPY. So how we can do that? Simply connect any strong key level of a support trend line from one point to another. For example, I have here a very strong key level of a support trend line, which is really obvious. So what I will do right now is simply draw here the support trend line from this point right here, from this low to this next low. Just like that. Fantastic. Now what you will do next is simply drag the very same line right now and just simply place it right here, right on the next level of a key support trend line, which lies exactly right here, as you can see. Let me just zoom in so you can see it. Right there, exactly. So that was, of course, the nearest level of a key support trend line, which has already become as the resistance trend line number 1, number 2, and then if we continue going to the right, we can see how many times the market actually was respecting that level. Eventually, it has actually just made the bullish breakout from it, which another confirmation that the Pound JPY most likely will continue the rise. So now we are talking about this current pattern right here. So we are actually looking to buy the Pound JPY right on the next level. So what we can do right here is simply draw a Fibonacci retracement from this higher high to this lower high, just like this. Fantastic. Now, as you can see, the market has just made a bullish breakout from 61.8, which tells us that there is a possibility for the market to make a retest right here on the same level, which, by the way, was here a nearest level of a support to that bullish breakout candle. So that's another kind of confirmation that we can actually buy the Pound JPY right from this level right here. So that's the second confirmation which we have already here to buy the Pound JPY on this level. Now, for the take profit level, so we have decided to buy the Pound JPY exactly right here at 194.608. But what about the take profit level? Let me just show you. Right here, of course, we have another strong key level of a support trend line. So what I will do right now is simply complete here the channel. Check this out. So right here, of course, we have a channel which actually was here a support trend line and became as a resistance trend line for 3 times. If the Pound JPY will continue the rise, it will surely hit the same level. And look at that, it is actually Fibonacci 161.8, which means that we are actually looking for around, let me just see, we are looking for around 254 pips profit with this signal. However, the safe zone in this case, of course, has got to be ranging just till here, the bottom of the real support at 193.273, just below Fibonacci 0, of course. However, that means, of course, I need to adjust this because I forgot this, the chart is squeezed like that. So let me just make sure that the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging lower than Fibonacci 23.6. Now, by that, our entry will be exactly at 194.614. However, this safe zone is going to be ranging for 92 pips. I know that's quite a lot, but we're talking about pound GPY right here, my friends. And take profit level is going to be around 260 pips of profit. Let me please now write this signal for you. And there goes our deal, my friends, to buy the pound GPY, and I really hope it's gonna go well and be in profit. However, always remember that any signal that you are receiving here on YouTube is subjective to fail. So therefore, don't expect this signal to be a winner always. There is always a possibility that the market will go against our direction and the signal will fail. However, just make sure to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates or notifications about this signal. If I notice any price action going against us, I will update you personally right here. But sometimes I don't do that because simply I'm a human and I'm not 24/7 front of my computer. Especially sometimes at night I'm sleeping. For example, I think silver signal last or this week actually has failed because I wasn't front of my computer when the movement happened. That was like 4 a.m. in the morning, so I was of course sleeping that time. So again, please consider the timings, and I will do the best I can to update you about this signal. You can just simply look it up right here, Xtreme Trader Signals, or you can just simply check the description below of this video to find the link to join directly. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.